Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to record your audio better, how to record your audio with your cell phone, and you don't need to buy microphone and other things. Okay, right now I'm recording my video with my phone, and I have another phone in my pocket. This is Android 2.2 and this is Samsung Galaxy Young. I connected to my hands-free, and this is the recording audio, or I can say the audio that you can hear is recorded with my hands-free and the two old phones. This is the two old phone. Because of that, when I'm going to, for example, go out from the store, and I'm too far from the video, but you can hear my voice and my sound too clearly because of these things that you can do. And it makes a question of your mind how I can mix the design with the video. Just with a simple way. For example, when you start recording, at first part of that, you just need to clap. When you clap, the phone, or I can say your camera recording microphone, can hear it, and you can connect it on Premiere or other the things that you can record or you edit the video. With a simple clap, you can connect it and switch them. This is the tutorial of today, and this is simple and easy. I hope you like it.